watching this video from Dr. Lock. Today we're just doing replacement keys for a CX3 Mazda. So all keys lost, so we've made the door lock key. So if you ever get stuck and you need to get in, you can just remove the key and put in the door lock. Then what you do is just put your foot on the brake or the clutch and then hold this up to there and then press it at the same time. But because we don't need to do that and the battery's not dead in the remote, we can just simply put the clutch in, see it go green, and that's it. So if you need keys made to your Mazda and you're in Brisbane or the Gold Coast, 0413 120 444, and it can make you a replacement car key. So the key just goes in the back of it like that. And that's it. Just test the remote as well. Lock. Unlock. There we have it. Thanks for watching.